Hi everyone, this hair tutorial will be all about how to take down braided hair with extension without causing it harm or without letting it cut.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
I noticed very recently that my daughter's hair have been added in weight, sizes, without growing long. If you understand what I mean by growing long, it's no more adding more in length, but it's just expanding, getting more afro. When I hear afro, it's a big afro, okay, like covering her face, covering everywhere. Oh my goodness, just watch and see how I'm going to show you for people who are still learning how to take down braided extension or braided hair with extension without letting it cut. Because I noticed that sometimes people cut their hair while unraveling or taking down their hair or their children's hair. So today I want to make a tutorial to show you how you can take it down without cutting them and also harming the hair or causing damage on the hair, or without even making the hair to cut. So as I was telling you here before, my daughter's hair is adding in sizes and also and weight, but as if it's refused to grow long. I don't know if I measure it. It's like it's not increasing. Although last time I trimmed it, I cut like 2-3 inches from her hair to make it to be equal. But normally her hair is growing, but only that I'm not noticing it. I don't know if you have been here on my channel watching her hair, is her hair growing or not? But anyway, today tutorial will be about taking down the hair, and this is how I do it. First of all, I will go ahead to cut the hair where the hair stops. If you have a short hair, there is no need of going from the where the extension, starting from the extension to unravel it or to take it down. What you're going to do is to check where the hair stops. If you have a long hair, you have to check where the hair stops, because after braiding hair, you must notice where the hair stops. So go, first of all, you use your scissors, cut those hair, whole extension, cut it down where the hair stops. Then you will be able to go ahead to separate the hair or separate the extension from the hair, as you see me doing. And that's how you're going to be doing it. Even if you have 1,000 braid, that's how you're going to take all the hair down until everything is done. So when you have a shorter hair, I think it will be easier for you to take down the extension without wasting a lot of time, because you are going to go more down to cut the extension. The hair is short, so it's not going to take a lot of time. So I have to also give a small remark again, because there are some people who still use their extension 2 times or 3 times. This method is not for you, because if you want to reuse the extension, you don't need to look for where the hair stops to cut it. You just do it normal way, starting from where from the extension to cut it down. Some people do wash it after taking the hair extension down. They wash it and shampoo it with conditioner and keep it for next time. And for me, I think it's a waste of time. I don't have much time for that. Although it's still okay if you can manage it. For me, and not only not having time, it doesn't look more smooth when you use it for the second time. Yeah, so that's by the way, sha. So watch to the end and see how I unravel my daughter's hair with care, and how I combed it. As I'm unraveling, I combed it. You can see that where you put the extension, there are some knots you have to remove, just gradually removing it, because if you did not remove it with small comb like this, when washing it, it will be hard for you to wash it out. These white things cannot go out so easily, so it can make the hair to cut, can make the hair to entangle, tangles together, and it can take you a lot of time to comb it while combing. So this is the routine, how to take the hair down without causing it harm. I hope you get one or two tips from this. So after unraveling it, make sure you comb it with a big comb like you see me using. Comb it very well, and this will also help you while washing it. It's not going to be hard for you. Okay, it's not going to, mostly if it's a virgin hair, if you didn't do this, oh my god, to comb it will be like 2-3 hours work. So, and you don't want it, so remove those white particles, and also comb it well before washing. And I can even recommend to you, if you have olive oil, before you wash it, use olive oil to, at least to massage on the hair, pat the hair like 3, 4, 5 places. Use olive oil to massage in it before washing. This will help you a lot to wash the hair without the hair entangling together. So I hope you understand what I am saying. So the hair is done, guys. Kindly watch to the end. I will allow you to watch the end. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you want to know more about the routine, how I make my daughter's hair, how I keep it growing, how I handle it without cutting, and it is full this way. I will see your comment in the comment section. Thank you, and bye for now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be
you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. See you next time in my next video.